Hi, I am John Gaskell, Director of IT for one of the panel divisions within Kingspan. So Kingspan as a brand was started in the back of a pub in King's Court in 1965, and the start of manufacturing of products for buildings. They advanced into insulated panel. Today, within our division, we are predominantly responsible for the manufacture of insulated panel within the various countries within our division. IT is incredibly important for the business because IT provides services of digitalisation to help the business streamline and meet their objectives for their business. So one thing that we're keen to do with ManageEngine, and what I did was I approached the senior VPs of ManageEngine was to say to them, look, could we work with you to try and improve this reconciliation challenge that we have, yeah? And the starting point was really to get the assets right, yeah? Are we confident that we can control the assets on our estate? So we have to have a good, reliable asset system that can help us with our reconciliation. And working with ManageEngine allowed us to get that spot on. We've been using various service desk applications for quite some time. And I think as a team and a department, none of these solutions quite ticked all the boxes that we were kind of looking for. The guys came across ManageEngine, and we felt that ManageEngine had certainly strong elements around ITIL, which was something that we very much wanted to adopt within the business, to actually put this kind of ITIL structure in, to formalise the service for the business, which would include service level agreements with the business. And ManageEngine very much kind of helped tick those initial boxes.
We use ManageEngine tools to do our day-to-day jobs, from the service desk to Endpoint Central to AD360 and Password Management Pro. These are all tools that we use day in, day out to manage our environment, control our environment, and make sure that we're doing our jobs properly. We originally started using Service Desk Plus as our first ManageEngine tool, and we quickly established that we had not only a good tool, but we were developing a very good relationship with ManageEngine on there, and that really helped us choose other tools as we're going forward, as we knew we had a vendor that we could trust, and the tools were pretty good at the job that they needed to do.
We use Endpoint Central to patch our estate. Why do we use Endpoint Central? Well, before Endpoint Central, we would only normally be able to patch devices that were on our LAN. So to ensure that we manage our patching, we needed a solution that allowed us to patch off the LAN, i.e., wherever the person is in the world, can we control the patching of that device? And Endpoint Central very much allowed us to do that, to ensure that we do patch efficiently.
We looked at various tools, and in the end we chose to deploy ManageEngine Service Desk tool to achieve a number of the ITIL recommendations from a service desk point of view, change control point of view, and an all-round product. We quickly adapted the tool to our ways of working on there, and then as we moved forward and looked for other tools that we wanted to complement our tool set, we looked at other ManageEngine tools. The theory being that they would integrate better than other tools would be on there and give us better visibility overall of our IT estate. So the next tool that we chose was Endpoint Central, which indeed does complement Service Desk massively on there to give us a good picture. The other tools, Password Management Pro, on there are relatively new to our organization. We did demonstrate with Password Management Pro that we had control of our passwords from an audit point of view, and that was very successful on there. But we're looking forward to working with ManageEngine to see how we can get more out of that tool and better value out of the subscription we've got from there. Likewise, AD360 we use on a day-to-day basis to automate a lot of tasks.
Implementing ManageEngine into the division enabled us to basically streamline our end-to-end service management process. It was enabled us to prioritize tickets, ensuring that we dealt with the most critical incidents first, then working down in order of priority.
We have a very strong relationship with ManageEngine, which we're continuing to build and improve on over the years. We find that they're easy to engage with from the installation of the products or even the sourcing of the products before that, the installation of the products, and the support, and then the ongoing improvements that both of us think that we can make to the products.
ManageEngine have always supported Kingspan Insulated Panels as a company. They're very good at listening to some of our challenges. We have access to some great people. We've had them come onto site. We've had one-to-one people from the development team come out, and they really do listen to our challenges. They are also very good at listening and trying to implement some of the changes that we suggest might improve not only our division from an IT point, but also the software itself.
The support and assistance from ManageEngine as a business has been fabulous.